Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in this video today we'll be doing a Thai red curry. Right, okay, so once again for this recipe I'll be using the stuff got my spicy blend recipe, which this stuff which I got from the Artisan Market in Northwich, which comes out to Northwich on Witten Street on every second and Saturday of the month. So also there's I've got Thai coconut milk, a tin of Thai coconut milk, and 1 kilogram of king prawns, and I'm too lazy to make rice at the minute myself, so I'm getting some microwavable rice, okay, and also some diced spring onions as well, okay, and also some coriander as well, okay, and some seasoning, okay. I've put the spice pack and the coconut into coconut milk into 100 millimeters of cold water, and I'm going to leave to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm now gonna put the king prawns into the pan. Okay, right, so and I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. And okay, I'm gonna put it on electric mark number 5 for it to cook for round about 20 minutes, and cover. Right, for the last 10 minutes you need to add the coriander and the diced spring onion, okay, and then give it a little bit of a stir so that to incorporate it, okay, and just recover. So if you're like me and you just can't be bothered to make your own rice, you can get microwavable rice. I'm putting it in the microwave for the last couple of minutes, okay, but I do make rice somewhere else on this channel, okay. I make braised rice. I made one a few years ago with chili con carne, and that proved to be a popular video. Right, so now that it's finished cooking, I'm going to season it a little bit, put some seasoning in a bit with salt and pepper. Okay, so there you have it. There's your Thai red curry. Okay, so that concludes this video. Okay, if you are interested in buying from my spicy blends, I use it because it's a local company to me. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and also press the notification bell. And also remember, if you are learning to cook, if you want to learn to cook, and whether or not you have autism, do remember, I have your